Breeze, what up?
I'm the type of guy down and chill, smoking, just get high. Stressing out while I just get by. Something tells me that ain't right. I'm the type of guy down and chill, smoking, just get high.
Yeah.
Stressing out while I just get by. Something tells me that ain't right.
I got a boatload of problems, I just went and caught the Dutch. Try to fill it with my stress, let the smoke fill up my lungs. I'm high, speaking in tongues, y'all haters a bunch of punks. Passion in the kicks, bass line, snares and drum. It's my one, my only, my every form of expression. It keeps away the depression, but y'all just know it's complexion. Completely ignore my message behind every single record. The hours change from the minutes and the minutes change from seconds. Another day that I'm blessed with, I can't even complain. So God bless America, music and Mary Jane. It's the reason I'm sane, the reason I ain't got pain, the reason I'm standing out while y'all busy staying the same. Till I'm walking with a cane, y'all can catch me in the hustle. I'm the diamond in the rough, the missing piece of the puzzle. I ball, never fumble. Rest in peace to my uncle. Don't fuck with Princess Fiona's, but now I'm fucking with Rapunzel's.
I'm the type of guy down and chill, smoking, just get high. Stressing out while I just get by. Something tells me that ain't right. I'm the type of guy down and chill, smoking, just get high. Stressing out while I just get by. Something tells me that ain't right.
Yeah, and that's word to my early days. I'm talking years ago to when my hair was curly days. I mean like years ago to when my bros get swirly days. And I ain't plan on changing a bit till the pearly gates open up and somebody want me, welcomes me, and tells me that the hatred I received was out of jealousy. Ironic how I never ate my broccoli and celery, cause now I'm about my green, guess my mama got the best of me. Yeah, but that's only just a plus. I still put my callous and feet up in my chucks and took a path to success that just ain't involved with tucks. Some say that that boy got talent, but some say that it's just luck. Either way, whatever you say, I just don't give a fuck. I'm about this rapping, but I'm still about my bugs. I'm cold, these bitches hot as fuck. I'm the sole reason why these pretty bitches wearing Uggs. Hey.
I'm the type of guy down and chill, smoking, just get high. Stressing out while I just get by. Something tells me that ain't right.